Today, I'm going to show you how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome the easy way, so you can get extra privacy, access region-based content, and secure your browsing in just a few minutes. The best part is that because we're using a browser extension, you do not need to install a separate VPN app on your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. From there, go down to Extensions and then choose Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install browser extensions. Now in the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Free VPN and press Enter. You'll see a list of different VPN extensions appear on the screen. Take a moment here to review the options, because not every extension is the same. For this tutorial, we're going to use Free VPN for Chrome VPN Proxy VPN. Click on that extension to open its details page. On the extension page, read through the description and take a quick look at the permissions it requests before you install it. This is always a smart step anytime you're adding a browser extension, especially one that handles network traffic. Once you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a confirmation box asking if you want to install the extension. Click Add Extension to continue. After a few seconds, the extension will download and install automatically. Once that's done, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon, which is your extensions menu. Inside that menu, find Free VPN for Chrome and open it. The first time you launch it, you'll usually see a welcome screen or an onboarding flow. Click Continue, then follow the prompts until you see the option to continue with the free plan. In this case, click Start, then choose Continue with Free. That will take you into the free version of the service without needing to upgrade right away. If a welcome page or extra setup screens appear, just click the X or Close button to move past them. Keep closing the introductory screens until you reach the main VPN dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of available server locations. Now choose the country or region you want to connect through. Common options might include the United States, the United Kingdom, or Germany. The location you select is important because it determines where your browsing traffic appears to be coming from. This can be helpful if you want to access websites or content available in another region. After choosing your server, click Start or Connect. Give it a few seconds while the VPN establishes the connection. Once it connects, your Chrome traffic will start routing through the selected VPN server, and you'll be ready to browse with the extension enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added a VPN extension to Google Chrome and connected to a server using the free plan. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.